Hello students, welcome to VMaths. Today we are going to learn about the division of any number by a two-digit number. First of all, division means we are dividing a number into equal groups, right? The number to which we are dividing is known as dividend, and the number by which we divide, it is called divisor. So here normally all students must know the tables from at least 1 to 10. It's necessary to learn the tables. So I tell you all that definitely do the tables by heart, because they are very much important for your mathematical calculation. So let us learn here how to divide by a two-digit number. I have taken few examples. So here the first example, 39,136 divided by 16. So this is the division sign what we are going to use. The bigger number, which is dividend, to be written inside. This everybody knows. And the divisor by which we are going to divide, it must be written here outside. Now when we divide by 16, first it is a two-digit number, so let us consider the two digits, because definitely the one digit, the first digit will be smaller than the divisor. So we have to consider the two digits. Now here the number is 39. The first two digits of the dividend make a number 39. So what we have to do, we have to check in 16, table of 16, where that 39 will come. If it is not there, then we have to choose a number which is smaller than 39 and closer, right? So here in table of 16, how to guess it, that where it will come. So in tens place, here there is 1, and here in tens place there is 3. So if we check that how much is 16 multiplied by 3, so you can know, you can do this as you know the table of 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 is carried, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now 48 is bigger than 39. So what we have to do, we have to check for 2s are. How much is 16 2s are, right? It is 2 6s are 12, 1 is carried, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3, 32. Yes, we got the number which is smaller than 39 and it belongs to the table of 16 and it is at the place 2. So here at the place of quotient we will write 2 and we will subtract 32 from 39. So here what I will get as a remainder, 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now still we have the digits left to divide. So what we have to do, we have to bring down 1, the next digit. Again the same procedure we have to repeat, as here it is 7 and here it is 1. I can check for 16 7s are, right? 7 6 are 42, 2 4 is carried, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, that is 11. No, it is bigger than 71. So what I have to do, we have to take care of this 6, as there is 6 in one's place. So definitely some carryover will be there. So try to get some smaller number than 7. So I can check for 5. 16 5s are. 5 6 are 30. 3 is carried. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, that is 8. No, still it is bigger than 71. So what we have to do, we have to now check for 16 4s are. So 16 multiplied by 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 2 is carried, 4 ones are 4 plus 2, that is 6. Yes, I got the number at 4th place. So here I will write 4 and 64, it is less than 71. So I will subtract this, right? Now let us complete the subtraction. So here we know that from 1 we cannot subtract 4. So generally the students are making mistake here, but as usual the subtraction by carryover we have to do it. So borrow from 7. So here it will become 6 and here it will become 11. Now 11 minus 4 will be 7 and 6 minus 6 will become 0. Again repeat the same procedure, bring down the next digit, that is 3. Now here it was 71, here it is 73. So we know that again we have to take 16 fours. So here 4, subtract 64. So what we will get? Again by borrowing you can subtract. Here I will do it directly. 9 and then here 0. Bring down 6. Now 96. So again we have to check in table of 16 whether 96 is coming or not. So 16, now as this is 4za, we have checked earlier 16 5za are 80. So now let us check 7za, how much it is. Here 7 6za 42, 4 is carried, 7 1za 1, 7 plus 4, that is 11, 112. It is bigger. So what I will do, I will check 16 6za. How much it is? 6 6za 36, 6 1za 6 plus 3 9. Yes, I got the same number at the 6th place, right? So here I will write 6 and I will subtract 96. I got here 0. Now there is no more digit to bring down. That means my division is over. So here what is this? This is my quotient, that is Q. And here I got the remainder as 0. Dividend 39,136. My quotient is 2,446. My divisor is 16 and my remainder is 0. Now this formula what I have written down, that can be used for your verification. If the right hand side gives you the answer equal to your dividend, that means your division is correct. Okay. So now let us do the second question. 3678 divided by 12. Again the same way, write it in the symbol of division. 3678, the bigger number inside, the divisor outside. Again the same procedure, you must know the table of 12. If you are not knowing, then you have to do it on trial and error basis, right? That means you have to check whether it belongs to. So here the first 2 digit number is 36. Let us check in table of 12. Is 36 is coming or not? So as I know the table of 12, 12 3s are 36. So I will take quotient 3 directly and here I will subtract 36 because 12 3s are 36. So here I got 0. Now what I have to do? Bring down 7 and again I have to divide. But now here the 7 is smaller than our divisor. So in such cases what to do? That means I have to divide by 0, right? So what I will do? I will add one 0 in quotient and the same step I will repeat again. I will bring down 8 in the same step, right? And now I got a 2 digit number. So I will check now in table of 12 where 78 is coming or not. So I know that 12 6 how much it is? 72. So here I will write 6 and I will take here 72. I will subtract 8 minus 2. It is 6 and 7 minus 7, that is 0. Now here I got the remainder which is smaller than the divisor, and there are no more digits to bring down. That means here I have to end my division, as we are not going to learn about the decimal point in this video. So here I will end up this division with this remainder 6, as the number is smaller than the divisor. So this is my remainder and this is my quotient, right? Let us learn the third example. 12,770 divided by 31. Again the same way, what I have to do, 12,770, my dividend will be inside the symbol and the 31 is my divisor. Again repeat the same procedure. Always remember, here when we are knowing the table, it took the less time for calculation, and when we are not knowing the table, it will take more time. So I suggest to all students, learn the tables for quick calculations. Now here when I am going to divide, again 2-digit number is smaller than my divisor, so I have to consider 3-digit number directly. That means 127. Again I will check in table of 31 where it comes, 127. Now I can guess, as the first 2 digits are making a number 12. In table of 3, 12 is coming at 4th place. So what I will do? I will check 31 4s are. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Yes, this number is nearer to 127. Right? So what I will do? I will take 4s are 124. I will subtract it. Right? So 7 minus 4, I will get here 3, here 0 and 0. Bring down 7. So here we got 37. So let us now divide 37 by 31. But if we'll take 31 2s are, definitely 3 2s are 6. So that will be 60 some plus something. So it will become bigger than 37. So we have to here take 31 1s are. And I will subtract 31. So I will get 7 minus 1, that is 6, and 3 minus 3, that is 0. I have one more digit there, so bring it down. I got 60. Now if I will take 31 2s are, it will be 62, right? So that will not work here. So what I have to take? Again 31 1s are. So here minus, you can borrow from 6, so it will become 5, and here 10. 10 minus 1 will be 9 and 5 minus 3 will be 2. So here I got 29. Now if you will check with the divisor, the number 29 is smaller than 31 and there are no more digits to bring down. That means here we can end up our division, and this is our remainder 29 and this is my quotient 411. Now as I said, this is known as division algorithm and it is used for verification of the division what we have done. So let us check it. I can check it for the last question. What is my quotient? My quotient is 411. My divisor is 31. and plus remainder, so my remainder is 29. Now when I am checking it, I have placed the values of quotient, divisor and remainder from the division solved, and now I will solve the right hand side. So 411 multiplied by 31. You can do it, 411 multiplied by 31, right? Again I can do it directly. 31 ones are 3 is carried, 31 ones are plus 3, that is 34. So here 4, again 3 is carried, and 31 fours are, that will be 124. So 124 plus 3 will be 127. Now I got the product 12,741 and plus that remainder, that is 29. Now when we add it, we will get 9 plus 1, that will be 10. 1 is carried. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 7. And here 7, 2 and 1. And my dividend is again the same, 12,770. That means my left hand side and my right hand side, they are equal. That means whatever I have done, that is correct, right? So this is the way to verify your division is correct or not. So I hope this video will help you to divide any number by a 2-digit number, right? Let us meet in our next video with some interesting topic. Bye.